Hello, everyone. Welcome to XM Live trading session in the advanced room. It's time for Guess the Trade with me. My name is Junaid Vahit and Stanislav Kolev is going to be here with me as my trading partner, analysis partner, and entertaining partner. Before we start talk about the markets and what the session is for, I'd like to say a huge hello, happy Friday, and last day of the week. How are you, Stanley?
Hello, Juni. Very good to see you. Thank you so much. Everything is great. Traveling a little bit. Hopefully, we'll return to my office. We'll be there next week. Everything is good. The weather started looking a little better. I cannot say that it's fine,
Last
but
day.
yeah, the last 2 days. But it's still motivation for a good mood. And today we're also going to be a little bit of competition as well because we have to be guessing each other positions, not only.
Yes.
So maybe you share what's your take on the market, how the week has been for you as well.
And which trades I'm having?
Yes, which direction you want to trade?
While I'm sharing the screen, I actually um, moved on a couple of instruments, and on all of them I was having trades. And I actually put three instruments on my chart where I was not having trades, but I opened while we were talking before we go live.
Okay.
And I found an instrument where I don't have any trades. So yeah, so gonna be quite active session. Multiple trades are running. Weeks is okay. Weather, as you said, is great, feeling good. But what I say, it's the last good day for the weather.
Today, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
tomorrow the
weekend.
expectations are huge crash on the weather temperature. So yeah, actually, today probably gonna be a good for trading because I woke up with big volatility. I saw nice movements, and I don't know if we have something overnight. No, it's just retail sales in UK this morning, and everything else. It's not quite so important, but inflation data from Germany. Later on, we have consumer sentiment on UK, US markets and some European and Canadian news. Probably that's why market will continue to be volatile for the day. Yeah, so everything is fine. How are you, and how the day and the week is for you?
The week have been phenomenal. You remember on Tuesday where you said, "Who the is that guy?" So that guy actually made the week the way it was. So we got Weller with comments about Federal Reserve not being as dovish as the market wanted them to be, and we have significant increase of the volatility in the direction of the strong dollar and risk of sentiment. So I can say week is great so far. We already got some pullbacks, but I'm not gonna talk too much, not to jeopardize, and maybe tell the viewers what we'll be doing here. We also have viewers from our YouTube channel. So welcome to the YouTube viewers. We've got Calvin Dola. Is this live or okay? Yes. Calvin, we're live. You could ask us anything. And also, we invite you to tune in into XM Live Education as well, not only from YouTube. So be welcome. Abel is the first to speak in the chat, giving thumbs up. This is actually it's on the previous session, right? So let me use this time to introduce you to what we'll be doing here. It's called Guess the Trade. One of us has the screen. In this case, is Mr. Junivahit. He's having the screen, and you bombardize us with numerous amount of trades, as many as you wish. It could be something that you're in, something that you're looking to trade, something that you have never traded, European currency, commodities, stocks, indices, just anything you guys are interested in. Be welcome to address it. Also, I will have to trade the first instrument that you share on the chat, and Juni will have to guess and share as much as possible information about it. entry exit strategy, position management, stop loss, take profit, potential second, third entry, um, and much more about this. We don't do weekly and monthly chart, and we don't do the scalping. We're ranging between 15-minute and up to daily chart in order for us to have more precise and accurate um, guesses and analysis. Plus, we both are mostly swing trading. This is why we have decided to do it like this. And then I show whether the guess was right or not by sharing the screen. And then the row flip. And then I will have to guess his trade and so on from this moment up until the end of the hour. So for every instrument that was addressed in the chat, we are obliged to execute a position. This is going to be a must for us. So long story short, um, one of the most active and also entertaining sessions. Also, the reason for this is we're trying, and we have proven so many times that no matter of the market conditions, if you have a strategy and you have a plan, there is always an opportunity to make money on the financial market. So you give us as many instruments, we're gonna appreciate each of the viewers with your first instrument that you share. Now, example, um, Ioannis is saying Aussie and CAD versus US dollar, which means Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. So we're going to take the first one from Ioannis. If somebody else pops up, we're going to take yours first and until we run out of viewers. Then we're going to take your second, third, whatever instrument out there. I think that was pretty clear.
Yeah.
So yeah, um, we are going for Aussie dollar. I traded
Starting with Aussie dollars.
junior guesses. That's right.
Aussie dollar. Stanley has to trade. I have to guess, and I'm going to analyze the bigger time frame and going to go for a lower time frame. We completed. By the way, I'm buying that because Stanley has to trade, so nobody's guessing. Why I'm buying? Because I was selling the top with exactly this target, which was ABC correction, and right now it filled, and exactly as we did the plan long time ago, end of December. The short target completed. We did 1, 2, 3, 4 sell trades here. And right now I am buying for stronger rally. But first target, of course, gonna be 66.90 because it's a level of resistance, historical level of resistance. If you go back on history, you're gonna see that level tested multiple times. But we're gonna see if Stanley's taking this trade. I'll try to be totally neutral when I'm analyzing the market as from his prisma, because sometimes different factors may influence my guessing decision, which sometimes is not playing as a good role. But look at this level historically, that is a good target. Well, of course, if market breaks up that, then we will continue to hold the long. I'm not sure that I'm going to buy above that. I can mostly buy if we have
I'm
short-term
I'm
swings.
ready.
Then Lee's ready. Okay,
I was
so
ready
let's.
from the beginning, but uh,
Okay.
so you know the timing if that is going to make any difference.
Uh,
Calvin, Calvin, um, I didn't know if it was live. I'm allowed to ask questions. You could ask us anything, any instrument. We're not only going to answer to you, Calvin, but we're also going to trade it for you. So don't hesitate to do so. And I'm going to make the cheat sheet from the chat because I see one delay. And Gert also tuning in. Thank you so much, guys. And
okay,
with
daily chart.
Abel, also give us instrument. Yes, please.
Big hello also from me to everybody in the chat, both YouTube and XM live chat. YouTube guys, you are always welcome to join for free in our both beginner and advanced room. Currently, joining the advanced room because we are here, of course. We're gonna trade absolutely every single instrument that you are asking, even if you don't want us to trade, we will trade it, you want or not. So I have to currently analyze what Stanley is doing on Aussie dollar. He took a trade. You don't see it. I don't see it. This screen is mine. So I'm analyzing that chart in order to guess what Stanley's taking as a trade. Why I do that, as he said a couple of minutes ago, because we know each other very well and it's very fun. We get to know even better each other, and also that's how we create new trading strategies. Not exactly strategies, but maybe trade ideas and finding a lot more opportunities. So
Juni,
daily chart,
in 40 days is gonna be 4 years working together.
and imagine 4 years we trade together, and we still make sometimes some mistakes on our guessings.
I think we have more than 1,000 sessions together. Because in the first year we had like for a
Maybe,
week we had like 12 or 13 sessions together. So
could be. Yeah. So guys, be quiet sometimes. So I have to guess that. The pressure is on my shoulder right now. Thank you very much. Strong support, previous resistance, daily chart, bullish reaction, no false breakout from the bottom, which Stanley probably is not very, yeah, but it's not bearish here. Even if you follow this last price action, you need to have some pullback because that's the bottom and market is moving up. So from the daily chart, I say mostly bullish. Even if he's looking at this big pattern as a distribution head and shoulder, there's a huge room to trade to the upside. So I say daily chart for me, he's taking buy. For our chart, wow, this is absolutely bullish. The market had multiple pin bars. If he were traded that yesterday, for example, he probably has already longs and now adding, or if he didn't trade it, he is buying right now. As per my 4 hour view, it's major support. 1 hour, nice inverse head and shoulder breakout, retest, pin bar, and market is going up. Yeah, he's buying. Let's not lose time. He's buying right now. Just top probably. It's way better. Something like this. 65, 65, 60, 65, 60, or 65.70. I will go with 65.60 because his market gets back in the structure. That's invalidating the current bull sentiment. So I say he's buying, stop below the swing low on 1 hour chart.
Aire,
Let's share.
long trade. Exactly, but I'm looking for a short. I don't want to be a buyer here. I'm
That's
opening
what
the
I
minimum
saw.
lot.
Yeah.
Yes, the minimum lot size. Uh, if I get a sell signal, I will instantly sell it. I don't think even the market will get back to this low here. The Aussie, oh, something is lagging here. I don't see it getting back to this structure. As soon as I get a sell signal, I would definitely look to short this.
You
So
don't see 66.70,
66,
50.70?
Um,
Which time frame is
n-
that?
I, I,
1 hour.
yeah, 1 hour.
Ah, it's the
I
same.
don't
Yeah, yeah.
think.
Yeah, the same, the same.
I don't. It may get here, of course it may. But if I get a signal before that, I will short it. I will just be entering with some wider stop loss and probably will be adding on the higher it gets. So we'll be doing some averaging um, down here. So thumbs up, nice one. That's the mood for the people that don't know. And also, we have Calvin. We got gold, oil, and the cable. So we'll be trading. You're on the queue after Wandile and Gert, where we have Euro Aussie and Bitcoin dollar. Calvin is also asking, and on Saturday, do you offer studies or education or not? On Saturdays, we don't have the live program. Um, you could watch and educate with our YouTube channel. There's some videos there that they're more not so. You will not see executing positions, but you will see some very practical advices there, talking about money management, talking about risk, talking about strategies, if you wish. and how to play the long game, more or less. So yes, be welcome. Now the next instrument is the instrument of Wandile, Euro, Australian dollar. This will be Juni.
Ready.
That's an easy. Juni Vahit, Momentum Vahit. It's a short. Stop. Above this high, I suppose, somewhere here. 65.70, above the current daily candle. Target is open. This has a lot of potential on the downside, even though commodities have been declining.